everyone, welcome to the channel Tutor Away. In last video we have discussed about the 4-point probe method, and in today's video we are going to discuss about a type of a 4-point probe method, that is van der Pol method. So this method is used to measure the resistivity of a sample having an arbitrary shape. Arbitrary shape means any odd shape sample, and there is a condition for this sample is that the sample should have a uniform thickness, and a thin sample means the thickness should not be very large and the thickness must less than the width and length of a sample. So this is a diagram for the van der Pol method, or we can say that it is a setup of a van der Pol method, in which this is a rectangle shaped sample and L denotes the length of the sample. Now for the correct measurement of this measurement of the resistivity of the sample, we require 4 ohmic contacts. These are the 4 ohmic contacts that should be attached to the boundary of this sample. Means these are the boundary and these are the ohmic contacts which should be attached at the boundary of this sample. And we start numbering it from the top left contact. This is a top left contact, and we start numbering first from this top left contact and we move in anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. So this is numbering 1, then in anti-clockwise direction it comes first, then it is number 2, so it is number 3, and it is fourth probe. And now we connect the voltmeter across 2 contact and ammeter across two other probe to find the voltage. So these are the two configuration. These are two configuration. In first configuration, the ammeter is connected at the first and second probe, and the voltmeter is connected between the fourth and third probe. And in second configuration, the ammeter is connected between second and third probe, and the voltmeter is connected between first and fourth probe. So in van der Pol method, there is a formula to find the resistivity of a sample. This formula is resistivity is equal to Rs into T, where this rho, it denotes rho and it is average resistivity. This Rs, what is this? It is a resistance of sheet. Means the sheet we have used here, Rs is the resistance of this sheet, and the T is the thickness of this sheet, which is given in this question or given during the experiment when we are finding the resistance of a sample using van der Pol method. Now there is a van der Pol equation with the help of which we will find the resistivity of a sample. Van der Pol equation, exponent minus pi Ra upon Rb plus exponent minus pi Rb upon Rs is equal to 1. Or this is the exponent, or we can also write it as e की power minus pi Ra upon Rs plus e की power minus pi Rb upon Rs is equal to 1. Where this Rs it is a resistance of sheet. What Rs? It is a resistance of sheet, and this Ra and Rb, what are these? Ra are the resistance of a first configuration first, and Rb is the resistance of configuration 2. So Ra and this resistance, the formula of resistance is equal to V upon I, means voltage upon current. So the voltmeter, it measures the voltage and it is connected across the probe 4 and probe 3. So we have written here V43 upon I 1 to ammeter to measure the current, and the same method is also applied here, that ammeter is connected through 2 and 3, so I23, and voltmeter 14, so V14. These are the Ra and Rb, and in many cases these both resistance are nearly equal. So we have taken here a condition that this Ra and Rb are nearly equal to R, and when we replace this equation in this main van der Pol equation, means Ra or Rb is equal to R. When we put here R and R, this both become same, and we can also write it as 2 exponent minus pi R upon Rs is equal to 1. So, and now here we have taken log on both sides, means log 2, and I have told earlier that we can also write it as log 2 e की power minus pi R upon Rs is equal to log 1. Okay, or earlier we can send this 2 to this side and it become log 1 upon 2, and this is log e की power minus pi R upon Rs is equal to log 1 upon 2. Then, and the base of this log is e, so this e cancels this e and it become minus pi R upon Rs is equal to log 1 upon 2. Okay, now log 1 upon 2 is equal to log 1 minus log 2, and the value of log 1 is equal to 0, so it becomes minus log 2, and minus log 2 is equal to minus pi over rs, and this minus and minus are cancelled down, so the value of rs is equal to pi r upon log 2. And here this value of pi is 3.14, and we will calculate the value of log 2, and when we solve this 3.14 upon log 2, it becomes 4.53. So it becomes 4.53 R, and R is resistance, so resistance is equal to V upon I, means voltage upon current. So the value of RS is 4.53 V upon I. Now we will put this value of RS in this equation. Rho is equal to RS into T, and the value of RS is 4.53 V upon I. So the value of resistivity is, here we have calculated the resistivity from value, which is 4.53 T into V upon I. Means this is RS, and we have put the value of RS in this formula. It becomes rho is equal to 4.53 T into V upon I. So guys, I hope you have understood this topic. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And if you have any queries or any doubt or any suggestion regarding this video, then please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.